People, Halio coming out with a new video. Happy New Year for 2017. Look at this picture I have here. Air show I went to, and there's pictures showing that you see the picture is the sun, and then there's another object right to the side, and I don't think it's the moon. It's too moon wouldn't be this close to it, and I don't think anyways. And it wouldn't be this small if it was the moon. It's a tiny object. See, when let me see, if you see it, I make it larger, zoom, you can see that closer here. I don't know, I can see it now. See, it looks up big. You can bring it closer. You see it there, right? This is not the moon. I think this is could be Planet X. I don't know. I'm sure that there's other pictures on the internet that shows a larger object. I mean, is this part of the Planet X system? Or Nibiru? Is this Nibiru? I don't think this is the moon. Let's see here, let me see. See it here. It definitely looks like Nibiru. And there's another, okay. See right here, see that? It looks like right there, a little object. It's the original, back to the actual size. The photo, it's about, let me see. See how small it is? And there's no way, it looks like an object. Some kind of planetary object. It's no flare or whatever, people might say, from the lens. You know what I mean? This is like an actual something there. And it's not the moon. It's too small to be the moon. It be this small, this close, you know what I mean? I don't think so. You know what I mean? It shouldn't be this small, the moon, you know what I mean? This object just